Welcome to AequilibraE, and let's take a quick look at the new AequilibraE interface for QGIS, which is new on version 0.6. So if you go and plug in Manage Plugins, and you turn AequilibraE on, you're going to see that nothing opens up here, but rather here. Right? AequilibraE is now a panel that if you happen to close, you can go there, View, Panels, and AequilibraE. Why? This is done. AequilibraE has changed so it can work with its new project, work in a convenient way. So if you open the project, so I have a Chicago project here. As soon as you open the project, it will load links and nodes to your network, and both layers are going to be in memory, which means that anything you want to do, be that traffic assignment, path computation, will already refer to those two layers and to that project. That also means that anything else we bring to AequilibraE can leverage the fact that things are already loaded in memory. We already know where to get the network, where to get the nodes, where to get the matrices, where when matrices come, a record of matrices come to the project. So one example is, in shortest path here, if you used to use AequilibraE, you remember that to configure this would mean like loading the graph from memory, that you had to generate the graph before, whatnot. Now you just say, what mode you are computing path for. There's no transit per se, path computation. It's just using shortest path and the links associated to each of these modes. So you can set up what you want to minimize and go your way. With whatever you want to do, right? And it's a lot more convenient when you do traffic assignment. Same thing. Everything is already loaded. By the time this screen loads, your graphs are already computed for you to create your traffic classes that you want to assign. So it's a lot more convenient. That does mean that some of the resources are a little more difficult to use, that cannot be used. Like, for example, you cannot create a graph in Python and then do assignment here. It doesn't work anymore, but overall should be a much more pleasant user experience. That's all I have for today. Hope you're enjoying AequilibraE. Please use the software, contribute to documentation, use cases, and let's keep the conversation going. See you next time.